We interrupt this program for an ABC 3340 storm alert from the Weather Authority.
Good evening time now, just after 9:34, and we're doing a cut in here just to give you kind of a radar update, give you an idea of what's going on out there right now. The good news is we do not have any warnings, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings across our area at this point, and we're actually seeing the system move pretty quickly. So this is going to be the back end of that threat for severe weather. So this line of thunderstorms is moving through our state more quickly than anticipated, which means our severe threat is going down. If you live west of this line, your severe threat is over. I'm going to show you the tornado watch in just a second, and that's actually being whittled away from the west at this point. But right along this line here is where we're going to have to watch for the potential right now of some gusty winds. An isolated tornado warning not out of the question if you live along I-65 or east of that. But at this point, we've got a lot of heavy rain. We've got some thunder out there. These are actually flash flood warnings that cover portions of Coleman County, stretching back into Winston and Walker County. We've seen a lot of heavy rain, but at this point, we are very fortunate that we do not have any severe thunderstorm warnings or any tornado warnings across our state at this point. So I wanted to show you all these yellow counties here. That is where we still have that tornado watch in effect through 3 a.m. So this is where we're going to have to continue to watch for that potential for a few brief tornadoes. But this has actually been whittled away. So these counties west of I-65 have been removed from that watch. That includes Greene, Hale, Pickens, Tuscaloosa, Walker, Fayette, Lamar, Marion, Winston counties. Your threat for severe weather is over at this point. And as that line of thunderstorms keeps moving eastward, we expect more counties to be removed from this watch. Wanted to zoom you out, give you the view of Alabama. We don't have any watches, or rather any warnings, any severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings in our state at this point, which is remarkable. We're under that high risk today, and we've got just that tornado watch that continues but is being whittled away very quickly here from the west. So let's give you one more look here at the radar at what's going on. Here's that big view. This is that back edge of those thunderstorms moving through more quickly than we anticipated. We had previously thought we'd be here well into the early morning hours tomorrow, but the system is moving quickly, and that means once this line moves through for you, your severe threat's over. One last check of the radar here. A lot of heavy rain, some thunder. We're monitoring these storms. We've got to watch this line carefully because you can sometimes get those isolated tornado warnings right along that line. But for the time being, the weather is well behaved. We don't have any warnings across our state. And we will be back for our newscast, which starts at 10 p.m. Unless for some reason we do get a warning, we break back into programming. But until then, the weather is relatively quiet in terms of warnings, and we will be back with you for our newscast, which starts at 10 p.m.
This has been an ABC 3340 storm alert from the Weather Authority. We now return to our regular programming already in progress.